Welcome to Cesare Lomraso, your ultimate guide to criminology studies. In this video, we'll dive into essential review questions designed to sharpen your legal knowledge and investigative skills. Criminology, 10 items review questions, set 7a. Are you ready to challenge yourself, test your expertise, and prepare for success in your exams? Don't miss out. Subscribe now and stay updated with more criminology review materials, law enforcement discussions, and in-depth legal insights. Follow justice and justice alone, so that you may live and possess the land the Lord your God is giving you. Deuteronomy 16:20. Welcome to our comprehensive review session. In this video, we'll be tackling a series of multiple choice test questions to help you prepare effectively for your upcoming exam. Stay focused, take notes, and let's work through each question together to strengthen your understanding and boost your confidence. Let's begin our review. Directions: read each item carefully. Select the letter of the best answer from the choices given. Inasmuch as crime is a societal creation and that it exists in a society, its study must be considered a part of social science. A. An applied science. B. A social science. C. Dynamic. D. Nationalistic. Anthropology, psychology, sociology, and other natural sciences may be applied in the study of the causes of crime, while chemistry, medicine, physics, mathematics, etc. may be utilized in crime detection. A. An applied science. B. A social science. C. Dynamic. D. Nationalistic. An antisocial act, an act that is injurious, detrimental, or harmful to the norms of society. They are the unacceptable acts in its social definition. A. Crime. B. Felony. C. Offense. D. Misdemeanor. Is an act or omission that is punishable by special laws. A special law is a statute enacted by Congress, penal in character, which is not an amendment to the revised penal code, such as republic acts, presidential decrees, executive orders, memorandum circulars, ordinances and rules and regulations. A. Crime. B. Felony. C. Offense. D. Misdemeanor. is an act or mission that is punishable by the revised penal code, the criminal law in the Philippines. A. Crime. B. Felony. C. Offense. D. Misdemeanor. Acts that are in violation of simple rules and regulations, usually referring to acts committed by minor offenders. A. Crime. B. Felony. C. Offense. D. Misdemeanor. The crime is, blank, when the result of criminal act is destruction. A. Acquisitive. B. Extinctive. C. Seasonal. D. Situational. Are those that are committed only at certain period of the year? A. Acquisitive. B. Extinctive. C. Seasonal. D. Situational. Crime is one which, when omitted, the offender requires something as consequences of his criminal act. A. Acquisitive. B. Extinctive. C. Seasonal. D. Situational. Are those that are committed only when given a situation conducive to its commission? A. Acquisitive. B. Extinctive. C. Seasonal. D. Situational. After completing the practice test, let's review your answers using the provided answer key. How is your score based on the answer key? If your correct answers are more than half of the total number of questions, great job. If you did not reach more than half, you may review this video and take another round of the practice test. I can do all things through Christ which strengthened me. Philippians 4:13. This verse emphasizes faith, perseverance, and reliance on God's strength in all aspects of life, including challenges in law, justice, and moral decision-making. It serves as a reminder that with Christ's guidance, we can overcome obstacles, pursue righteousness, and uphold justice with integrity. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more educational content. See you in the next video.